Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to make a Turkish drop spindle from materials that you have around your home. This is a beautiful spindle. I bought it at the Sheep and Wool Festival in North Carolina that they have every October, and it's a really pretty one. But maybe you're just learning how to spin and you don't know if you want to spend the $20 or $25 that it costs to buy a tool like this. And maybe you're teaching a workshop and you need to make inexpensive tools for your ladies to use. This is a video that's going to tell you how to do that. So the way that a Turkish drop spindle works is it fits together. And you actually wind, as you spin, you wind the yarn onto the spindle so that when you're done and you take this all apart, you pull the center out, take apart these two pieces, and you end up with a center draw ball of yarn that you can use. You can ply it from here, or you can go ahead and start using it right away with your needles straight from here. So it's a neat tool to use if you're pre-spinning wheel, or if you just want to take something on the road with you that's small and easy to carry. I've seen videos of these tools being used by women in Tibet and places like that, where they're walking and they're out with their animals and they're spinning while they're walking, and this is what they use because it winds right on there, and then the ball just slips off when they're done. So we're going to look at our homemade version of this. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 4 tongue depressors, and you're going to sand them lightly and just to take the rough edges off, and then you're going to drill a hole directly in the center of this tongue depressor, and you'll do that for 3 of them. Okay, the other 3, 2 of them have the hole drilled in the center just like the first one, and then the third one, or the fourth one, gets cut so that you're taking out the width of the tongue depressor that's a single. Okay, so this space right here is the width of this tongue depressor right here. And you do that because you're going to fit these 2 together. So after you've cut everything, you've glued this together, you've weighted it down so that it dries nice and tight. Then you're going to take the single tongue depressor, you're going to slide it through the slot that you made, you're going to line up the holes, and then you're going to take one of your chopsticks. This is a big box chopstick just from the big box store, and you're going to slide it right through here, and you're going to press it in there firmly so that it won't slide off. And then you've created a drop spindle that does exactly the same thing as this one, but it cost you less than $1 to make. The last bit of getting this so that it can work is to tie a leader yarn around here, and then that you'll have to watch a video on how to spin with a Turkish spindle because I don't have that, but this is the basic tool. Then when your ball of yarn is done, again, you're just going to slide the chopstick out, you're going to slide the sticks apart, you slide the ball of yarn off, and you end up with a center draw ball of yarn that's ready to go. So I hope that this helps answer some questions for you. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at ladieshomesteadgathering.org, and we would be happy to help you out with any questions you have. Thanks so much. Bye.